Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and today I'm going to show you how you can link your Riot Games account to your PSN, your PlayStation Network account. Now it's very easy, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is hop onto your preferred browser, go to the Riot Games website and go to the top right corner where you can sign in and open up these settings. Now from there, the account management settings will appear. From here you scroll down till you find the connected accounts. Now here you can choose the PlayStation button, simply press the plus icon, press confirm, and as you can see here's a little heads up, you can link an account on PlayStation Network to only one Riot account, so make sure to do this once. Now press confirm. From there what you want to do is press next to sign in to your PlayStation Network, sign in. Now here, use the verification code on your mobile phone. I'll be right back when I get it. Now from here it has been verified, and as you can see when I scroll down, my connected accounts PlayStation Network has been connected, as you can see right here. Now from there it's easy as that. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me a lot, and thank you for watching.